Hey, this is our first walkthrough of Brunch. Brunch is an interactive canvas and node-based interaction layer for LLMs so that you can chat with multiple models wherever you want in a whole branching sort of an interface instead of being restricted to a single chat box. When you first open this page, you would be greeted with this pop-up which would simply ask you to put in all your API keys and toggle whichever model you want or not. So once you paste your keys, toggle the models on whichever you want to use, save keys, and now we'll be able to start using this entire interface. I already have a prompt crafted so that I don't spend time typing here because my typing speed is terribly slow. So I would paste this, and essentially I want to know more about Ali Luke's and her PhD dissertation on the socio-cultural impact of smell. So I'll just hit enter. This thing gets back here, and I would now see how Brunch automatically expands this and gives me different areas or different lines of thought that I can tap into and learn more. So here I have a bunch of different cards. So OpenAI gives me something, Gemini gives me something, Claude has given me a lot of things. Initially, when this page opens and you send the first text that you want to expand on, you get an idea about, like, there's an instance of OpenAI's GPT 3.5 Turbo running, which acts as a glorified classifier and infers that which model is the best one to answer that specific question. When you hover over a particular card, you would get to see more actions. You can see the option to expand the card, you can find related options, or you can also add a note, which is essentially adding more context. So once you click on add note, you would be able to add a lot more context, and then you can go ahead from there. Once you click on expand, it gives me a lot more information here. So I have gotten more cards here. So now I would take this out so that I can focus on this more properly. Another interesting experiment that you can do here is whenever you want to focus on a specific part of the thing, you can press shift and add cards to a specific cluster so that you can focus on that specific part and ignore everything beyond that. So here I have found that, yeah, there is this thing that I want to expand on. I would click on relate, and I would hopefully be getting a lot more related information from this card. Yes. So yeah, that's basically how this works. And essentially, my favorite feature in this whole entire interface is essentially a feature called chain of thought. So whenever you click on a particular card, you see this glowing pink lines connecting the card with the previous card it originated from, and then it recursively keeps on happening until you reach the root. So whenever you're trying to go and research or talk about a particular direction, you get to see the whole chain of thought regarding how that worked out. And if you want to focus more on it, press Control, and everything else blurs out, and only the cards that are in focus remain on the screen. So that helps you interface and explore things better. We also have voice input here. So if you want to just talk to Brunch and get the information that you need, you can simply press the button, talk, and then you can send the message and then do this exact same things all over again.